How to upload Canva templates to Etsy. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to upload Canva templates to Etsy. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. First thing that we need to do is to simply open our Canva application here in our browser. Once you have signed into your Canva account, next thing that you're going to do is that we're going to choose a design that we want to upload to Etsy. Say for example, I have already created a design, so I'm just gonna look through the past designs I have right here. So for instance, I would like to upload this specific weekly planner that I have. So I'm going to click on this specific design, and after which we're going to simply download this file. So how do we download the file? To download the file, what we're going to do is to click on the share button in the upper right hand corner. Once you've clicked on the share button, go to the download section, and there, make sure that the file type is JPG or PNG type. So say for instance, we're going to have the PNG style and simply download. Once you've successfully downloaded the design, next thing that we are going to do is to go to Etsy.com. So here we are going to sign into our Etsy account. And here we are going to click on the market button beside the account section. Okay, there. Once you've clicked on it, you will be routed to your Etsy shop dashboard. So here in your Etsy shop dashboard, in the left-hand side, you can actually see listings. Click on that one. And then afterwards, you will be routed in this section. In the upper right-hand corner, you can actually see add a listing. So click on add a listing. And then here we are going to add the design by clicking on the add a photo button in the box. So there, once we've added a photo, select the file that you would want to add onto your Etsy listing. So once you've selected the file, it will basically show up. So we have added the photo. As much as possible, add 3 photos onto your listings in order for your customers to show or see more options in your listing. You could also adjust the thumbnail accordingly. So there, and hit on save afterwards. So once done, go to the video section if you would want to add some video. Add your listing details like the title, what's your listing about, the category, and the likes. So you could also add your price, the variations. If you offer personalization of that specific product, then you can simply turn it on. And then you should input your shipping information as well, and as well as the returns and exchanges policy. Now in the lower right hand corner, click on publish once done. And basically that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.